Yeah.
You gonna run in your cage? I don't think so.
I don't think you're gonna run in your cage, buddy. Go play.
Oh my god. I've never seen cats play with a boy like that. It's so cool.
Damien loves him. Oh, they love each other. Oh, yeah. Oh, there you go, Damien.
He's a wrestler.
Bunny loves it. Oh, home base. They're so funny. They just love hanging out in there with them.
Like, you're the closest thing we have to prey. Oh shit. I can't believe they're able to control him. I mean, that's a big, strong bunny. He's got way more muscle than they do.
Yeah. Bunny, bunny.
They're so awesome.
I know. Bunny will eat your face off.
Oh man. Hey, you, come here.
Next. Oh, you're gonna go in his cage. Oh, no, now you're in his cage. You're his now, buddy. Bunny's gonna get you. Bunny's gonna get you.
I'm gonna show this to Wendy. So I get a kick out of this.
Oh, my turn. Oh, Damien loves Bunny. Oh, I love Damien.
So much.
Damien is so cute. Oh, I know. Oh, right in your bum, buddy.